Stop crying. You brought this on yourself.
I'm crying because I'm puking. I'm puking because
What's wrong, Livy?
It's an endless thing.
What's wrong?
John's videotaping her temper tantrum.
What's wrong, Livy? Where did you go? You want to stay here? I'm just looking at my phone.
Make it worth it.
What are you doing? What's wrong, Liv? What's that?
Show that to her when she gets older.
Oh, yeah.
And we have a few videos of you, dude.
I want to see you throwing a picture.
Well, I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video. Because you're being so unreasonable and you're freaking out over nothing. You're acting like a typical 2-year-old.
You know what? Olivia, did you already have a lollipop? No, listen. Did you already have a lollipop? Don't run away from your boyfriend, for God's sakes! Get used to it.
Sweetie, he's just goofing with you. He's trying to make you smile, sweetie.
Did you already have a lollipop?
You did.
Daddy's taping you. He's taping
at
your
their wedding.
temper tantrum.
You might want to...
We're going to put this on YouTube.
If you want to stop,
I can put it up
tell
on my
Daddy
account.
to stop taping. Can Eric take the bike?
Not right now.
This was a perfect example of a spoiled child wanting a lollipop rather than a wonderful meal that we just had this evening. Let's take another look at this.
Lollies are better.
I beg your pardon?
Lollies are better.
Yeah, well, they may be better, but ham is better for you.
No.
I don't like
The ham right here is the best. It's better than
Jody, come
stinking
press on this.
lollipop.
Oh, kick Mommy in the face. Jeez, do that again. I missed it.
Did she just kick you in the face?
Okay, are you calmed down now, honey?
That was actually
You better now?
Poor Livy.
Aww.
Not the stinking sussy.
Okay. Say bye-bye.